Hi, I'm Alan, and today we're going to be jumping into a past trip from 2019. Journey with us as we celebrate friendship, exploring Anza Borrego and surrounding areas. Here on Borderline Explorer. This trip was dual-purposed. First, we wanted to see an XC90 off-roading. But more importantly, we wanted to see what's really out there. Together with our friends Gene, Minty, and their pups. We explored parts of Anza Borrego State Park, the Salton Sea, and the small town of Julian. With over 600,000 acres of exploration, Anza Borrego is California's largest state park. That's 20% of San Diego County. We got started on our first objective immediately. The XC90 was taken off-road for the first time, and we really didn't know what to expect. The XC90 was equipped with sporty road tires, which was our greatest concern. A combination of good wheel placement, guidance, and the XC90's all-wheel drive system with traction control, it was able to reach our destination without issue. For those of you wondering, the Power Wagon was in its off-road habitat. Zero issues. They call it the slot. Hiking is just under a mile and not strenuous. In fact, you might even want to slow down and take in the views once you realize you're engulfed in the canyon. Sunlight plays a nice trick, softening the light that enters the slot. Some spots were so narrow I had to remove my backpack to squeeze through. We wanted to catch camp before sunset. This group's specialty was food. Over and over I was impressed by my talented comrades throughout this trip. Whether in their own kitchens or in the middle of nowhere, these gourmet chefs knew how to handle these ingredients. Peer through the lens of a stranger. We want you to join us in our adventures. Please hit like and subscribe so we can grow Borderline Explorer together. There are dragon sightings in Borrego Springs, and we had to check it out. The massive scale and detail of these metal sculptures blew us away. We heard of an abandoned naval base on the west side of the Salton Sea, not too far from Borrego Springs. Naturally, we headed towards the sea. Because we did not know the exact location of the naval base, we just started exploring the west side of the Salton Sea. This soft terrain was perfect territory to play with the XC90. The closer we got to the Salton Sea, the softer the ground below us, to the point where vehicles would simply sink in soft patches. The Salton Sea is a geological disaster and an engineering mistake from over 100 years ago. In 1905, a canal flooded and the Salton Sea was born. The sea is replenished by rainfall from surrounding areas. Because water has no way to flow out, it can only evaporate, leaving behind salt and dangerous levels of chemicals from surrounding agricultural runoff. Algae blooms across the sea are fed by these chemicals, resulting in a lack of oxygen in the water. All around the Salton Sea, you will find remains of countless fish. Many consider the lake toxic as it continues to stockpile chemicals from runoff. The land below us got so soft it would be dangerous to drive any closer, so we went by foot. Even then, the ground would get so dangerously soft you'll fall in. In the end, we deemed it too dangerous to cross swamp-like land to find the Navy base and realized we may have taken an inaccessible road in. Next stop, Julian. Known for her charm and her pies, we had to get a little bit of both. We ran into a group of European tourists and quickly realized they had their own set of issues to deal with. We offered to help, wouldn't you?
Well, we ended up not finding the naval base, and we still have so much more Vanzabrego to explore. Round 2? Are you down too? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.